American Horror Story Season 11 title, cast, premiere date confirmed. Well, here's a familiar scene. After months of rumors, leaks and rampant speculation, a new season of American Horror Story has at last been confirmed. Season 11 of Ryan Murphy's horror franchise will be titled American Horror Story, NYC, FX officially announced Thursday. The new season will begin on Wednesday, October 19th, with the premiere of the first 2 episodes. Episodes will stream next day on Hulu. The cast will include a mix of horror story newbies and returning favorites, including Zachary Quinto, who previously appeared in seasons 1 and 2 of AHS, Sandra Bernhard, who co-starred in Murphy's Pose, and Charlie Carver, who has collaborated with Murphy on Netflix's Ratched and The Boys in the Band. Rounding out the ensemble are fellow Ryan Murphy repertory players Joe Montello, Billy Lord, Leslie Grossman, Charlie Carver, Isaac Powell, Dennis O'Hare, and Patti LuPone. AHS, NYC joins previous horror story chapters, including Murder House, Season 1, Asylum, Season 2, Coven, Season 3, Freak Show, Season 4, Hotel, Season 5, Roanoke, Season 6, Cult, Season 7, Apocalypse, Season 8, 1984, Season 9, and double feature, Red Tide and Death Valley, Season 10. Additionally, the second season of AHS offshoot American Horror Stories, a series of standalone anthology episodes with occasional horror story connections, wrapped its second season on September 8. Fans have certainly been clamoring for intel about this hush-hush season, to the point where multiple fan accounts released a joint statement about going on strike over the network's withholding of information. In their defense, prior to this announcement, the only on-record info about the show's next installment was that it was slated to air sometime this fall. Your thoughts on this long-awaited American Horror Story announcement? Hopes and fears for Season 11? Whatever's on your mind, and we know there's plenty, drop it in a comment below.